truckstop shower. This is a small one. I'm gonna quickly grab some breakfast at McDonald's. I haven't worked out yet, so maybe I'll do that even though I already showered. Hang here for a little while and hopefully some of this will burn off before I hit the road. Good morning. Great, thank you. You too. When my cat passed away, I cried for days, and during that time, while out walking my dog, a mountain bluebird kept hovering by us and followed us. So now, whenever I see a bluebird, I'm reminded of my awesome cat. Miss her like crazy. I saw a lot of ducks the day my dog passed away, and I have this memory. So now, every time I see ducks, I think about my dog. I was crazy about that sweetheart. After watching the blue jays and the sky clear up, I hit the road and made it to Helen Keller's Birthplace. This is the dining room where there was a food fight. In that movie.
I didn't realize that some people collect pencils and start camping up here and they said, oh, well, mine, I collect the shot glass. And I acquired too many. I did that with coffee cups and
Annie and Helen's bedroom. Oop. All right, I'm gonna go out. This is the cottage where Helen Keller stayed. I think this is where she was born.
You can hear her speak words that you can understand.
Okay, now I have several hours of drive time. Probably put on some good music and do a little singing.
Turn right onto North Commons Street West.
I've been driving for about 8 hours, around 8 hours, and I have no idea where I'm staying tonight. It's getting late, I'm getting tired, and I really want to find a place to stop. And I'm an hour and a half from my next stop, point of interest that I want to see. I'm on back roads in Arkansas. There's no Love's truck stop around. I checked. I just got gas. I'm going to keep driving and hope I can find a sign where there's camping available. So that's what I'm up against right now. I have an hour and a half to, it's getting close to an hour. I have like an hour to go before I get to the location I want to see. State Trooper. Great. Well, if I do get pulled over, I guess I can ask the state trooper if he knows if there's a campground around where I can stay for the night. There's a camper right there, a truck with a camper on it. Maybe I should follow them. Yeah, so anywhere along here, if I can find a place to stay, even if it's a truck stop, I will do that. Ooh, 9 miles. There's a KOA 9 miles. I don't even know how to do that. If you have to be a member, not sure. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll check out the KOA. Dear, speeding. Okay, the cop turned. Good. All right. I'll probably see a really nice place on the way, but that's okay. I'm going to stay at a KOA for the first time. We'll see how this goes.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
All right, well, let's see. Thank you. Okay. Is this it? I want to get a little better angle. I made it before sundown. Always the goal. Pretty good view. Guess it's time for me to get ready for bed. See you in the morning.